you'll need a large capacity milk frother that can be used for drinks like hot chocolate. An appliance that does more than milk heating and frothing. But don't worry, we've got everything you need here at Heidi's Health Kitchen. So to get started, you'll want to make sure that the unit is securely attached on the base. Then we're going to add 8 ounces of our favorite milk. You want to use a barista or a full-fat milk. Now we're going to add 1 scoop, which is equal to 3 rounded tablespoons or 5 level tablespoons of Carubie-Latte, to our milk. And we're going to put the lid on. And my favorite way is to start at the 4th setting, which is the hot chocolate setting. It'll start by itself, and then after this setting finishes, after about 2 minutes, then I like to go back to the 1st setting, which is the hot frothing setting, just to make it creamier. So while this machine is running, it's so convenient. You can complete other quick kitchen tasks. You can finish packing your bag for work or getting ready for your day. You'll just love the ease and convenience of using our milk frother. When it's done, to clean the appliance, you'll want to just put in a drop of soap and some warm water into the container, rinse it around, pour it out, rinse it with water, and then just wipe it clean with a cloth, as well as wiping down the exterior. You do not want to submerge this in water. You do not want to get the control panel wet. Shop now at Heidi's Health Kitchen to get our gift set, which includes your very own milk frother and a 30-serving supply of Carubie-Latte. But don't just get one for yourself. Remember the others on your gift list. They will appreciate that you care about their health, and they'll love this gift, and they'll love consuming Carubie-Latte daily.